Go home happy with the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.